Hi, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. This is Subramoni. I'm from India. We have been living with the family in Italy for almost 3 years, and we've tried every options to get a driving license or clear the theory test, but nobody was supportive, and we couldn't get anywhere past the day one. Finally, we got a hold of Mr. Ambrish, and he gave us 3 trial classes. And after the trial classes, we clearly made up the mind that that was the only way to go. And it took us like 2 months to go through all the classes and his quiz. Plus the laws, which he explains it very clearly. If you're not fluent in Italian, this is the best way possible to get your Italian Folio Rosa and also get your driving license in Italy. So you are very clear of the laws that you have to follow in Italy, and I have my Folio Rosa, so this is 100% guaranteed as long as you put in your effort to get your Folio Rosa through Mr. Ambrish. Thanks, Mr. Ambrish, for again the help to get this. Without you, it wouldn't have been possible at all.